In a world where technology is constantly advancing, it's inspiring to see a country making big strides in AI and technology. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking news from Rwanda as they launch the first AI and tech center in Africa. From cutting-edge research to world-class facilities, this center has it all and is set to change the game for the entire continent. Get ready to be amazed as we take a closer look at this state-of-the-art facility and discover what it means for the future of Africa and beyond in this video. Stay tuned. According to Borge Brand, president of the World Economic Forum (WEF), who delivered a speech during the center's inauguration, the government of Rwanda has officially proclaimed the opening of the Center of the Fourth Industrial Revolution (C4IR), the first of its kind to do so in Africa. C4IR was introduced in Kigali by the WEF and the government of the East African nation. The Fourth Industrial Revolution, a campaign that has swept the continent, in addition to the rapid innovation seen in Africa during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic over the past 2 years, were both factors in C4IR's launch, according to Paula Ingabire, Minister of Information, Communication Technology, and Innovation for Rwanda. In an interview with Media 24, Ingabire said, "There is an increased urgency to develop digital and technological capacities to build more resilient systems for a healthier society and a more sustainable economy." Also, based on the information on WEF's website, Rwanda will work with stakeholders around the world to design and pilot new approaches to technology governance that foster innovation in an inclusive and responsible manner. The C4IR will now work on new projects, such as developing and examining the nation's laws and regulations regarding artificial intelligence, as well as the security of private information. While launching C4IR, Rwandan President Paul Kagame said, "The launch of this center is enabled by investments that we, as a country, have been making in science and technology. I hope the center will build on this by making the fourth industrial revolution an equalizing force and contributing solutions to some of today's most pressing challenges. We are very happy to have the World Economic Forum as a partner in this crucial and other endeavors." Approximately 30 years after the horrific, ethnically driven genocide that engulfed the nation in the 1990s, he said, "The opening of the center was proof of how far the nation had gone in the sciences and technology fields." This is the first center to be formally launched in Africa. It says a lot about the leadership in the country when it comes to leapfrogging and being visionary when it comes to new technologies, WEF President Brent added. He also added, "I think that this Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution Rwanda will play an important role to meet the ratio of Rwanda becoming an upper-middle income country by 2035. The center, I hope, will be a key enabler of Rwanda's goal of becoming an even more prosperous society." The time has come for Africa to put itself at the very center of a new technological revolution. Our continent has a unique competitive advantage that stems from an undeniably entrepreneurial spirit that is built into our young generations, that is, an ability to innovate out of necessity, Ingabire stated. What can we deduce from this? The innovations will significantly propel Rwanda in the field of technology and innovation. This center will help to promote the development and use of AI and technology in various sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, education, and financial services. We expect the facility to provide training, research, and development opportunities to students, entrepreneurs, and businesses. With this initiative, Rwanda aims to foster a culture of innovation and technology and boost economic growth while providing job opportunities for its young population. In addition, we believe that the center will play a crucial role in utilizing AI and technology to solve some of the country's biggest challenges. This initiative further highlights Rwanda's commitment to becoming a leader in technology and innovation on the continent. The center's launch also represents a significant step towards bridging the technology gap in Africa and promoting digital transformation. With the growing importance of AI and technology in today's world, this initiative will provide a much-needed boost to the development of the technology industry in Rwanda and Africa as a whole. We need to know how AI is vital to the technological revolution. AI is critical to the technological revolution because it enables machines to perform tasks that were previously thought to be only possible for humans to do, such as recognizing patterns, making predictions, and solving complex problems. AI is transforming multiple industries and creating new ones. changing the way people live and work, and providing new and more efficient ways of performing tasks. By automating routine and repetitive tasks, AI is freeing up people's time and resources to focus on more creative and strategic activities. AI also has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as healthcare, education, and climate change. What benefits can we then expect from this technological breakthrough in Rwanda? The establishment of the first AI and tech center in Rwanda is a significant milestone for the country and Africa as a whole. The benefits of this center are numerous and far-reaching and can help Rwanda become a leader in technology and innovation on the continent. Here are some of the expected benefits. Job creation. One of the most significant benefits of AI and tech centers is the potential for job creation. The center can provide employment opportunities for Rwandans in fields such as AI development and research, technology management, and data analysis. This will help to reduce unemployment and improve the overall standard of living for Rwandans. Skill development. The center can also provide training and development opportunities for Rwandans to enhance their technical and digital skills. This will make them more competitive in the job market and better equipped to take advantage of emerging technology-based industries and businesses. Innovation and entrepreneurship. The center can provide a platform for Rwandans to develop innovative technology solutions and start their tech-based businesses. This will help stimulate entrepreneurship and encourage the development of new, tech-based industries in Rwanda. Economic growth. The center can also attract foreign investment and help drive economic growth by creating a hub for technology-based industries and businesses. This will help to diversify Rwanda's economy and reduce its dependence on traditional industries. Improve public services. AI and technology can also be applied to improve public services such as healthcare, education, and transportation. This can lead to a better quality of life for Rwandans and help create a more efficient and effective government. Boosted competitiveness. Finally, the center can position Rwanda as a leading technology hub in Africa, increasing its competitiveness on the global stage. This will help to attract foreign investment and talent and position Rwanda as a leading player in the rapidly growing technology industry. That's a wrap on this amazing episode. We hope you were inspired by the innovative spirit of Rwanda as they take the lead in the technological revolution on the African continent. With the launch of their first AI and tech center, they have shown the world what can be achieved when we embrace technology and innovation. Keep an eye on Rwanda as they are leading the charge in shaping the future of Africa and beyond. Until next time, stay innovative and keep exploring the exciting world of AI and technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.